Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable general liability certificate requests with suretybonds.com step by step clearly. Visit the suretybonds.com website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the certificates section on the left-hand menu. Click on Request General Liability Certificate. Fill out the necessary fields in the request. Provide your business name and address accurately. Include your policy number in the designated field. Select the effective date for the certificate. Add any additional insured parties if required. Review the details for accuracy before submission. Submit your request by clicking the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your request is being processed. Check your email for updates on your certificate request. If you have questions, reach out to customer support. Wait for your general liability certificate to be delivered. Follow any additional instructions provided in the confirmation email. You're now ready to use your general liability certificate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.